Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. My name is TT. I am from Botswana, but I currently live here in the USA. God knows for how long. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. Today we're going to South Africa, one of my favorite countries in the whole world. Oscar Mbo and Jazzworx, Vuka, featuring Thukuthela. All right, this better be good. I think this is Amapiano, but I could be wrong. Okay, let's see what we have. Zulu Nation. I wonder if Zulu people are poetic like that every time. I don't know. I was expecting her to be poetic. You'll be like, something. You are the king of kings. King among kings. Ooh, this is like house music, eh? Hey, they're bringing it back. For those of you who are young and you're like, what is house music? Well, this is it. This is like another one of South African made music. It's like this kind of music can play for hours and you won't notice it if you're having fun. So, comfort music. That's beautiful. Ooh. Yeah, this is beautiful. I'm also excited because Arsenal beat Real Madrid, so you know how that is. Look at the crowd, man. In Botswana we call it stallion. I don't know what you guys in South Africa call it. Maybe because I'm old now and I appreciate its nostalgia. And when you're from out of town, I guess people can just have they're like, yo, welcome to Joburg, bro. Oh my. the right place at the right time. They're like, get in the studio, let's just do that. Hey. This is beautiful, man. The video, obviously. Good music. Yeah, that was a good one. That was a good. I thought it was gonna be Amapiano, but that's even better. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's better. That's better. That's good music. Now I sound like an old man for sure. But yeah, that is. Who knew that there was gonna be a day when I am saying that is my music? And okay, that's beautiful. That was beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys on the other side.